Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gamma AI for website creation. Gamma AI is a powerful tool that leverages artificial intelligence to help you build stunning websites with remarkable speed and ease. To begin, simply log into your Gamma AI account. From your dashboard, you will find a clear option to start a brand new website project. You can then choose to select a pre-designed template or let the AI guide you through the initial setup process, making it incredibly straightforward to get started. Once your project is initiated, the next exciting step is generating your website's core content. You will provide the Gamma AI with a clear prompt outlining your website's purpose, target audience, and any specific information you wish to include. The AI will then intelligently generate initial text, suggest relevant images, and even propose a basic structure for your pages. Remember, every piece of generated content is fully editable, allowing you to fine-tune text, swap out visuals, and adjust elements to perfectly match your vision. With your content in place, it is time to refine your website's overall design and layout. Gamma AI provides intuitive tools to customize your visual theme, allowing you to select appealing color palettes and font styles that reflect your brand. You can easily organize different sections, add new pages as needed, and arrange content blocks with simple drag-and-drop functionality. Crucially, Gamma AI helps ensure your website is fully responsive, meaning it will look fantastic and operate seamlessly across desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. The final step is to publish your completed website and share it with the world. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review all your pages, ensuring all content is accurate and every link functions correctly. Gamma AI offers straightforward publishing options, whether you choose to connect a custom domain or use a Gamma AI subdomain. Once published, your website will be live and accessible, allowing you to immediately share it with your audience and start collecting valuable feedback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.